Greetings, multimedia students. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. Today, we're going to finish a project that we started last week when we were getting our new furniture into our classroom. We were in the library, and we became market research people for our business pathway. And we began to do paper t-shirt designs for the Blue Nation Student Store. So that assignment, we got a 10-point assignment for the paper part of the t-shirt design. Here's a 10-point assignment, which is this one, for the digital version of that. And then, as I said last week, if there are extra designs that you turn in, then we will get some extra credit available for those. So how are we going to digitize this? There's a couple ways. We've used Pixlr before, and I'm going to, in this video, show you how to do a t-shirt design in Pixlr. A couple different techniques. PowerPoint is kind of an option. It won't be as easy to do if you want to change colors of different parts of the t-shirt and that sort of thing. And you'll see what I mean by that once I get in doing this. So, as I said last week, we were not required to make these Bullard t-shirts. So, a lot of them were, which is great. But some people came up with some pretty cool designs. Now, one that I'm going to show you that's really simple to put together. It's a t-shirt that's just a Mahjong tile character. Okay, so I'm going to recreate this using Pixlr to show you how we did this. This is kind of the simpler one to do. So what I did, I looked up the Mahjong tiles, found the one that was used, and I was able to put this image into Pixlr and cut it out. So let's show that process again, I think. So I'm going to, well, I already saved that, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do new. And it was this right here. And using my crop tool, I can crop out everything I don't need first, like this. I'm going to take the border out too because it makes it easier. And so now I've got it isolated. I press apply, and now I use my wand tool to get rid of the white, like so. And now I have just my character, so I can save this. I'm going to save it. Well, that's new. They're charging for downloads now, but that's okay because I already did it. So, now that I've got this character out of its group of characters, now what I can do is actually open up the template that's on the Google Classroom assignment. So this right here, this blank shirt template, go over here to photo editor, Pixlr, and you're going to get the template. So I'm going to back up all the way to where it's just the template. And what's cool about this template in Pixlr is that you can highlight different parts of the t-shirt to make them different colors. So some people wanted to make like the sleeves different colors than the rest of the shirt, the collar, that sort of thing. Let me just demonstrate that feature right now. So if the shirt was white, and let's say we wanted to make just the sleeves blue, we can do that. We'll pick blue, and we'll use the magic fill tool, and we've got a blue sleeve. And we'll go back here to the magic wand, select this sleeve, use our fill tool, and then we've got blue sleeves. And maybe we even want to match the collar. So we can do that as well. Do that, fill with blue. There we go. Just Command D so that you can select it. But that's not what we want to do. What we want to do is actually make this the design that I see. I believe it's Jonathan did this design. It's an all black shirt with just that Mahjong tile, so it's going to be pretty simple. So we're going to do the same concept, but we're going to go get our black color. Fill everything with Control D so that everything is deselected. So how do we get this character on there? Well, we go to layer and we add image as a layer, and the Mahjong tile is right there. I'm going to use my move tool or arrange tool to put it where I want, and I can use the free transform to make it what size I'd like. So I'm going to put that right in the center, and I think I'm good to go. And so I'll just color this black to make it an entire black t-shirt. And that's one really simple design. Now other designs that were interesting, they did use Bullard stuff. So, and if you want to get words on here, that's another option too. So let's say you found a font on Cool Text that you really liked, and you wanted to put Bullard or some other related thing. I'm going to make this 100 so it's clear, and I'll create that logo. I'll download that logo, and the same concept applies. So if I go over here and I add images layer, I'll do my full text image. There we go. So resize, put it on the shirt, and then color where we need to. And that's the deal. So we're going to be digitizing today the shirts that we started last week. Again, paper 1 worth 10 points, digital 1 worth 10 points, and then there's extra credit for extra t-shirt designs that you come up with. If you have any questions, obviously I will be in class helping you out. On the PowerPoint side, basically you're going to download the template and put it on the PowerPoint as well. When you're looking at your PowerPoint tools, so let me put a blank slide here to show you what that looks like. So going back to the Google Classroom assignment, I'm going to get this blank t-shirt template, and I'm going to put it into the slide. So I'll insert picture from my device, should be my downloads. Put it in there. Let's stretch it out. And this is where it gets tricky, because like Pixlr is actually going to be a little easier with this because you have your magic wand tool. But what you could do with your draw tab is actually draw in what you needed. So this is totally a way, a bigger brush than that, but this is totally a way where you can design the t-shirts in here if you're a little more familiar with how PowerPoint works. So it'd be the same concept. Make your shirt what color you wanted, then you can insert the pictures and objects that you want. So if I were to do this Mahjong again, I can do that and resize it and go from there. So that's it. I'll see you back in class.